If I utter the words electric vehicle, your mind will probably envision a Tesla. Less than a decade ago, Teslas were not around, and consumers probably did not have electric vehicles on their mind. Prior to Tesla, the electric vehicle market looked completely different. Some auto manufacturers had electric vehicles in their fleets, although those cars were normally not that attractive. They were very compact cars and came in odd colors. Tesla's business model was completely different. First of all, as an auto manufacturer, they came in manufacturing only electric cars. So they were very focused in their research and development. They went a step further in producing one model at a time. When they figured out the economies of scale of manufacturing that model and selling it well, that's when they moved to a more affordable model. Imagine not having to go to a dealership to buy a car. This is what Tesla did. You can go on their website, build the car of your dreams. You won't have to talk to any person or haggle with anyone. The price is there, you know what you're getting. When Tesla's more affordable model, the Model 3, was announced, they also announced that they were taking in pre-orders. And so people all over the world were standing in line to pre-order their cars. And that was before the car was even unveiled, before they knew anything about the car. Tesla is by no means the company that created the electric car, but it is the first company that was able to prove that it does make economic sense and financial sense for a company to churn out electric cars, and they created that need in the worldwide population for electric cars. Last year, globally, electric vehicles made up only 4% of auto sales. However, I think that this will change soon. A lot of cities have instated or will be instating low emission zones, and also a lot of fuel economy standards have become more stringent, and electric vehicles will be the only way that auto manufacturers can really stick to those requirements. Humans have become more aware of their impact on the environment and how their actions affect the planet that they live in. So recently, that move towards more renewable energy, towards electrification, has become more and more intense. While that is great, I feel like a large portion of the population does not really understand the real value behind electric cars and how big of an effect they will have on the environment. So let's make every day Earth Day by spreading awareness and by doing our part to keep the Earth clean.